Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we are going to check out the March BeautyFix by Dermstore box. So if you are not familiar with BeautyFix by Dermstore, it is a monthly subscription box that's put up by Dermstore, which is a skincare beauty website. They have put together a lot of their favorite products and made a subscription box out of it. So there's usually really good stuff in here. It's not always full size, but the boxes, the most you'll pay is $24.95 per month. It does go cheaper depending on how many months you want to subscribe for. And you have different options with the subscriptions. Most subscriptions, when you do subscribe for more than a month at a time, it's usually 3, 6, or a year, 3 months, 6 months, or a year. You have to pay up front for those subscriptions. With BeautyFix, you have the option of subscribing for 3 months or 6 months at a time or a year at a time, but paying monthly for those. Or you can pay upfront for everything. So if you pay monthly for your multi-month subscription, it'll be cheaper than the per box. If you pay all at one time for however many boxes you order at a time, it's going to be even cheaper than that. So check out the website. I will leave the link below. Here's our sneak peek. Ooh, colorful. Before we do get into this box, I would ask you, if you do enjoy this video at all, please hit the like button for me. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down. I'm okay with that. I would love to hear your comments on the box. If you just want to say hi, I promise I will say hi back in the comments. I always respond to everybody. As far as I know, I've responded to every comment I've ever had. So if you ever commented and you didn't hear back from me, I apologize. I somehow missed it. But I am working on growing my channel. So if you share it, if you like it, if you comment on it, if you haven't yet hit the subscribe button, all those things will help support my channel if you do like my channel, and I would appreciate it very much. So let's see what's in here. All right, the first thing we have is cleansing spa water, and this is from Kobjendu. I'm going to say this is going to be a Korean Kobjendu. This very much looks like a Korean brand name just from the wording, but these are facial wipes. So I will look and see if this is a full size or what the deal is with this. This says, it doesn't tell me how many wipes are in here, but this is a 2.27 ounce size and it's about that thick. So that's our first item. Next one is from Glytone, and this is an exfoliating body wash. I know the glare. This is an exfoliating body wash, and we have a 2 ounce in here, and this is a body therapy. I'm going to bet this is a deluxe trial size, but for an exfoliating body wash, you can get a few uses out of that, so that's a nice one. I like that. Our next one is going to definitely be a little sample. This is from Perricone MD, and this one is a replenishing. This is a rejuvenating moisturizer, I think is what those tiny words say. I will verify as I'm editing and put in the corner if I'm wrong. But I'll also try to find out what the full size of this would be and the value. I cannot read to you what the size is on this, but I will get that for the edit and put it here in the corner. So we have a Perricone MD sample. I'm very excited for that. The next thing we have is from Clarity. This one says this is a renewing Bacachal serum. I'm not sure, but that's what that says, I believe. And this says this is visibly fades wrinkles and restores elasticity. So that is a good size. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know anything about it, but it does come in a pipette. I don't know if this is a full size or what we're looking at here, but again, I'll get you some more information and put it in the corner. One thing with BeautyFix is I see a lot of brands that I have not seen elsewhere, and that could be a good thing or it could be a bad thing. So you never know what, if you're not familiar with it, you have to look it up and see. But I will say for them, everything that I've had and used from them has been really good quality. So I presume these are nothing less. The next thing we have, and this does say it's a travel size, is the Revision Skincare, and this is a C Plus Brightening Eye Complex, and we have 7 grams, 1/4 of an ounce. So this one is sealed shut, and I'm not going to open it, but we do have a little travel size of a C Plus Brightening Eye Complex from Revision Skincare. So that is our box. Again, I got mine for the 3 months paid together, so mine was under $25 a box. But we for sure got our value in here. And I didn't show you guys, they pack it in a bunch of pretty crinklies, so it's really well packaged. But we got our 5 samples. I don't know that any of these are full size. Generally, there's at least one full size product in the box, but occasionally I have gotten only sample sizes in the box. So they went through a phase when I first subscribed that the boxes were super lackluster. The products were very small. They were good products, but there was almost nothing in there. I felt that the value wasn't there. You're supposed to get $100 value, even though they're sample sizes in the box. So I'll have to do some math and calculating. I'll let you know here in the corner what I find out. But it does look like we did get some good products. Let me know what you think about this. If you know these brands, if you're familiar with them, give me some comments and let me know your feedback. Do I like them? Do I not like them? I would love to know. But for now, I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.